Isabella Ruffatti from the AP content team, and today we're gonna have a look at some tips on how to use the Instax Mini 12. You will need Instax Mini film, like this right here, and you're set to go. First tip, light. Light can be your best friend and your worst enemy. I would suggest maybe not using being wary of white shirts, for instance. See here, I've had it happen several times with the same white shirt. It just blows it out and you end up looking all white. Too much light is a thing. Also here, you can see, the building. This was at Trafalgar Square, and there was direct light right in front of this building, which is why it's all flooded in white. One thing about Instax cameras and Instax film is when there's too much light on something, you tend to get these black spots. Like this right here was taken at an eclipse. I don't know why, but I just pointed it straight at the eclipse, took a picture, I was curious. Got this black blob. Also happens, you can't really see it here all that much, but when you have glasses, sometimes like the light just reflects on it and you get, black spots on your glasses. So it's a good thing to keep in mind when you're doing portraits and you have glasses like me. Second tip, cloudy days actually. Cloudy days can be a good, just because you don't have a lot of light doesn't mean that your shoot is completely wasted. It can actually be safe settings almost. You get some pretty decent pictures like this here, like right near the river, this as well. It was a bit of a sunny day, but it wasn't like super sunny. Third tip, the minimum close-up distance. Be wary of that. Sometimes that's 0.3 centimeters. And if you're taking pictures of things that are too close to the lens, they probably won't show up. Like here, you can't see it, but that's a Lego figurine. I tried to take a picture of it, it didn't work. Actually, it took 5, and it didn't work in any of them. It's not really great for figurines, as you can see here, and flowers. Although, sometimes, be open to surprises, because this doesn't look all that bad. It looks just a bit arty, But for instance, here I took a picture of some Slovenian family figurines, and they came out looking creepy. It's Halloween, and I can hear the Psycho screaming track in my ears. See, they look like they're like the negative. The rest of the photo is actually fine. So I think it might have been because there was too much light on them, because I took another one elsewhere, and as you can see, the Slovenian figurine looks fine. So yeah, I think that's basically my favorite part of instance photography, is the surprises. So don't be afraid to get creative. And of course, this type of film, like size, is very good for portraits, I think, because of the format. And you can get some really nice things. So yeah, you've got your tips, and happy shooting. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below.